All right, good morning, Ron.McGowen here, Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little tour this morning on the 31 RLK Elkridge. So 31 rear living Elkridge. Follow me inside. One of the nice features of this unit as you walk in it, it's a short unit. It's only a 31 rear living, and you've got a really nice center aisle with a farmhouse stainless steel sink, residential faucet. Draw your attention to the nice oven range, the Furrion oven range with the glass top. You've got hard surface countertops down here, so it gives you a lot of extra room for counter space. You've got a microwave oven. What's really nice is the 4-door refrigerator, a fireplace which works as a heater as well, your television. Back here you've got your theater seating. These are electric theater seating. They have heat and massage functions along with a nice rear couch. And that rear couch does pull out into a full sleeper bed. It's not a jackknife. Nice rear window in the back so you can back up to a nice spot and have a nice view. Obviously not of the railroad like we have here, but you can get a nice view of the lake. Power on both sides and overhead cabinets all the way around. Really nice to have is this pantry. You've got a nice pantry there, and all of your control buttons are right here with your monitor panel. So everything's centrally located, nice and easy. Extra cabinet space here, and again, hard surface countertops all the way through. Really nice feature. Moving on up into the bathroom area. I'll kind of let the camera do the work in the bathroom. But you've got a nice spot for your linens and for toiletry items. You've got a one-piece tub shower enclosure with glass doors. Really nicely done. And obviously a medicine cabinet, nice bowl sink, and extra storage underneath. Coming into the bedroom area, we've got a nice king-size bed. You've got shelves on both sides of the bed so that you can put books or glasses, things of that nature. Windows on both sides that open so that you can get a cross air ventilation. And really nice large setup for washer dryer and a nice walk-in closet style. You've got a shoe rack there, and that's a full-length closet. Coming back around, you've got a nice 4-drawer dresser drawer setup with an ability to attach a television here. This is a solid mount wall, so you can mount a swing out here for a TV, or you can just go with a portable one, whichever you prefer. All LED lighting in the ceiling. Moving outside, nice large grab handle. Nice aluminum custom wheels with an aluminum step, so that very lightweight 6-point leveling system. And look at the storage in that compartment. Lots of storage, and again a spot here to mount an extra television if you want to watch the game outside under your full electric awning with LED backlighting. Moving to the back, we've got a refrigerator. I call it a beverage refrigerator with cabinets back here and a nice sink, so you're all set up to handle any outdoor activities that you may have. This works also real nice as a cover. Got a ladder to access the roof. And coming on around, we've got a docking station right here. Everything's all in one spot, so your dump valves, your water connections are all right there. Everything, outdoor shower, cable and satellite connections, and again additional 110 power. You'll notice your septic dump is up nice and high, so that if you do take this off the road, you've got plenty of clearance. And your 6-point leveling system right here. So you can operate this individually, or just one touch is full automatic. 2 propane tanks, both on one side, which is kind of nice, easy access. And it does have the flip valve, so you can turn it either to dual position or operate them individually. As we come around the front, you'll see that we have a solar hookup and a nice front compartment. That front compartment works for anything heavy, obviously, because it is metal. And it does have the cutouts for a generator if you decided you wanted to install a generator. Full one-piece fiberglass front cap, very aerodynamic with LED lighting. So again, my name is Ron.McGowen. I'm coming here from Junction City, Oregon, Guaranty RV. Feel free to reach out to me directly at 541-968-6010 or Ron.McGowen@Guaranty.com. Thank you. Have a great day.